Hello everyone, this is Ryan Beardsley from Beardsley Auction Service LLC located in Lowell, Ohio. This is a very quick walk around the 2001 Chevy 3500 HD dump truck. It's sitting here running, as you can hear in the background. We're going to work the hydraulics, let you get a good view of the truck. This truck is going to sell in April 2025 on our website, beardsleyauctions.com. This truck is part of a very large auction we have up in Cambridge, Ohio. It's clean, low miles, has the 8.1 liter engine, gas engine. Overall, it's a pretty nice truck. I'm gonna pass the camera over here to Scott and I'm gonna jump in the cab. Current miles on this truck are 16,248 and 4/10. These will go up just a little bit as each time we're up here, we will start the truck. Just to make sure everything's functioning properly. So Scott's going to give you a look at the frame and the underside here of the bed. Again, this is a nice, clean, overall, low miles 2001 Chevy 3500 HD gas truck with the 8.1 liter engine in it. Scott will show you the inside of the truck and I'll set the bed back down. Just wanted to give you a good first look at this truck. Again, this is going to be selling during the month of April 2025. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can shoot us a message on Facebook or shoot us a text or give us a phone call. It's up to you. Thanks again for checking it out. We hope to see you at the auction. I'm going to put the bed down. You guys have a good night.